Hello, this is Sergio from the ClinicSense support team, and today I'll be going over how to read and interpret the receivables report within ClinicSense. The receivables report will display all amount owed by clients, and it's categorized by different date ranges, including 1 to 30 days, 31 to 60 days, 61 to 90 days, and more than 90 days. Additionally, you'll be able to click on an individual's total amount owed so that you can quickly add payments to multiple invoices. You can input the payment amount for each individual invoice, select how the client is paying, and record the payment for these appointments. If you want to check an individual invoice, you can simply navigate to that client's file and look at their appointment history. Or if you have it on the calendar, you can find it there as well. Additionally, you can see the total amount owed for your practice at the bottom, and you can download this report as a CSV or as a PDF. I hope that helps, but if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Our email is support@clinicsense.com. Have a good one. Bye-bye.